Hi everyone, this is my first video for advanced learners. Actually, some of my learners may be preparing for the higher level exams, maybe for lecturer level exams or some other parallel exams. So for them, I would like to present my first video, and that is on the topic of Anglo Saxons. So before starting the topic, I would like to tell you that the English name originated by the combination of Anglo and Saxons. Actually, English is having the West Germanic origin. So some brief point, please try to follow that Anglo-Saxon literature is the first period in the history of English literature. It starts from 449 AD to 1066 AD. So this period started in the mid of 5th century and it continued till the Norman conquest of 1066. So this period is expanded for about 500 years, and the major works in this period are of epic poetry, they are sermons and some Bible translations. So one feature you have to notice that the Anglo-Saxon literature is mostly of heroic types. So most poets of this period are anonymous, means their names are not declared. Only 4 names are known. They are Cademon, Bede, Alfred and Cinewulf. So these 4 names you have to remember. Actually, whenever you will go through the previous year's papers, so some basic questions are asked about the trends of the poetry or some famous work of this period. So Beowulf achieved the status of national epic in Britain. This is a very important point. This is a very famous work of Anglo-Saxon period, and this is sometimes asked in examinations also. And Old English prose is much greater than the amount of poetry. So this is the salient feature of Anglo-Saxon literature, that then prose were all pervasive and the amount of poetry was quite less. And Anglo-Saxons invaded England in 450 AD. The group has comprised with the Angles, Saxons and Jutes. They pushed the native Britons to Wales. So Britain name is having some association with Britons who were the natives of then England. And the key features of Anglo-Saxon poetry is that it is heroic and it is dealing with the Christian ideals, and synecdoche is used, metonymy is used, and you will find irony. So these are the some key features which are quite visible in the Anglo-Saxon poetry. Again repeating, heroic poetry element, Christian ideals, then synecdoche, that is a figure of speech, metonymy, another figure of speech, and irony, one device. And about irony, I would like to clear that when expectation is different to happening, then we consider it as irony. And Anglo-Saxons spoke Old English, and Old English was the combination of native Britain's language and the Germanic tribal language. So this was a very short introduction about Anglo-Saxon literature, and I would suggest you that whenever you are preparing for any exam, please try to consult the valid sources, the authentic authors who have written the valid documents with proper evidences. Means other sources may not be reliable, and it is very difficult to check the thoughts and the evidences of the Old English period. Thank you all, and please like, share and subscribe English Solutions channel.